In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix Windows 11 update KB5067036 or KB5067931 not installing error code with 0x800f0983 and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first one, we need to retry the update, then restart the PC and try again. That is very important. So first one, we have to go over here. Search here for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here we have to go to the Windows update. Now if you have any retry option, just go for retry, and if you don't find it, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just go over here, right click and go over here and do a restart. After the restart is done, you have to check whether the issue is sorted or not, and still if it's not working, just go over here, try with the next one. That is all about we have to pause and restart the update. So to do the pause and restart update, we have to go over here, go to the pause update. Now either you have to pause it for 1 week, 2 week or 3 week or something. You have to pause it for a particular duration. Then just go for check for update. After that is successfully done, what you need to do is you have to check. Next one is all about we have to start and restart App Readiness, Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So just go over here, search here for the services and click on the services. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to go to App Readiness, right click and go to the properties. Now from here you have to set this to automatic. And also if the service status is stopped, just click on the start. So as you can see, it will be up and running. Now just go for OK. Now go over here, right click and go to restart. Now just wait. Once done, go to the next one, that is Background Intelligent Transfer Service, right click and go to the properties. Change this to automatic. Once you change this to automatic, as you can see, the service status is stopped, so just click on the start. Now from here, all we have to do is we just need to go to apply, go for OK, right click and go to restart. Now once you're done with this one, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the Windows update. Now from here, right click and go to the properties, go to automatic and make sure the running, and once after you're done with this one, you have to check. Next one is all about we have to run the SOC and DSM command. That is very important. So the first one, we have to type here cmd and we have to run this as an administrator. That is very important. So first run this as an administrator. So it will be go for yes. Now from here we have to copy this value. Once the value is copied, we have to paste it. Then we have to press enter. Next one is all about we have to copy this particular value. Then go over here. And once it is done, after first value is done, we have to copy and paste the second value. Keep in mind, after running this particular command, both the steps might take around 10 minutes each. So you have to keep in mind that. Then go over here and you have to check. Next one, try using this particular link that I'll be providing in the video description. And before that, copy the value, first value, that is KB5067036. Go to this link. Now this is Microsoft Update Catalog. Now copy and paste the KB value that you're having trouble with and go for the search. Now based on your PC requirement, you have to download this. If your system is based on x64, you have to download this. And if the system is based on ARM64, you have to download this and you have to check. Similarly, go over here for KB value over here and you have to copy this once again and go over here. Now copy this value and you have to go over here and you have to go for the search. Once you go for the search, based on your PC requirement, you have to download the value. If it is x64, you can download this one. If it is ARM64, you can download this. If it is x64, download this and you have to check. Next one is all about we have to use option fix problem using Windows Update. So go over here, click on the system. Now scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the recovery. Now from here, go to fix problem using Windows Update. Now go for reinstall now. Now it is very important version, the current version of Windows. All your apps, file settings, everything will be preserved. And you have to, only the window will be updated and you have to check and that might work. Next one is all about we have to reset the Windows component. So copy this entire command. You have to copy this entire command. Once everything is copied, you have to minimize this. Now from here, right click and go to new, create a text document. Now get into this one, and what you need to do is you have to copy and paste the command here. Go to the file, go to save as, all files, change this to wufix.bat. Now from here you have to scroll it. Make sure that you save this on the desktop and go for the save. Once it is done, as you can see, it will be created here. So right click and go to run as administrator, and you have to check. That is very important. Next one is all about after you run this as an administrator, restart is a mandatory. Then you have to update Windows using assistant, installation assistant. So this is very important. Download this particular tool. Then you have to update your Windows 11 and that might work. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix the issue, the KB update. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.